Scientists just found a structure that breaks all the laws of the universe. And it's forcing us to question everything. What you're looking at is the most impossible structure in the known universe, a cosmic anomaly that, according to every law of physics we know, simply has no right to exist. Imagine a great wall of galaxies stretching so far and wide, so utterly massive, that its very existence is enough to shatter the fundamental blueprint for how our universe is supposed to work. The question is no longer how, but why. So, what does this mean for us? Does every science textbook on the planet need to be thrown out? Or are we on the verge of discovering a new radical physics, something that's been waiting just beyond the edge of everything we thought we knew? So, what exactly is this monster we're dealing with? This isn't just a galaxy or even a cluster of them. No, this is something on an entirely different scale. It's a cosmic wall, a colossal filament woven from thousands of individual galaxies, all bound together by gravity's invisible thread, forming a single continuous structure that stretches across the cosmic horizon. But just how big is colossal? Let's try to wrap our heads around this. This structure stretches for 10 billion light years. A number so vast, it's practically meaningless to the human brain. Let that sink in for a moment. Light, the fastest thing in the universe, would need to travel for 10 billion years, more than twice the age of our own planet, just to get from one end of this thing to the other. So how could we possibly find something so enormous, yet so hidden? The answer lies in the most violent explosions in the universe. Gamma ray bursts. Think of these bursts as cosmic lighthouses. For a few brilliant seconds, each flash illuminates its host galaxy, screaming across the universe, "Hey, a galaxy exists right here!" By mapping dozens of these flashes across the sky, astronomers noticed a pattern they simply couldn't ignore. An impossibly dense concentration in one specific region of space. It was like they had stumbled upon a hidden continent in the middle of a dark cosmic ocean, revealed only by the lighthouses on its shores. That is how the Hercules-Corona Borealis Great Wall revealed itself. So this isn't a hypothesis, it's not a guess. This is a real map. Painted with the fire of the universe's most powerful explosions, revealing a giant hiding in plain sight. But behind its grandeur, this discovery didn't spark celebration. Instead, it created a crisis, a fundamental problem that shakes the very foundations of modern cosmology. Because according to the official rulebook of the universe, a structure this large is technically illegal. Illegal according to what? According to the cosmological principle, the bedrock assumption, the number one rule in the cosmic playbook, it rests on two simple pillars. First, homogeneity. On the largest scales, the universe should be smooth. Matter should be evenly spread out, no giant clumps. And second, isotropy. No matter where you stand, the universe should look the same in every direction. There are no special places, no preferred directions. This principle is a foundation for the Big Bang Theory and pretty much everything we know about the cosmos. And from this principle, scientists calculated an absolute limit, a cosmic speed limit for how large any single structure can be. Based on the age of the universe and the time matter has had to clump together since the Big Bang, it is physically impossible for any structure to be larger than 1.2 billion light years. That is a universe's hard cap, the line you cannot cross. Now, let's compare that to our monster. The Hercules-Corona Borealis Great Wall doesn't just break that rule. It shatters it. It is nearly 10 times larger than it has any right to be. So, we are left at a fundamental crossroads with two terrifying possibilities. Either there is something catastrophically wrong with our data, or there is something catastrophically wrong with our understanding of reality itself. And that is the single greatest puzzle facing science in the 21st century. So, how do we crack this cosmic case? Scientists are fractured into a few different camps, each with their own take. Let's really dig into the possibilities. What if this is just an incredible statistical quirk? Maybe we're just looking at a bunch of smaller galaxy clusters that happen to line up in our view, creating the illusion of some giant structure. This is the most conservative explanation, that we, the observers, are simply misinterpreting the data.